Hey everybody, my name is Callie and this is my daughter,
Lily.
And today we're going to be making our chocolate chip cookies from scratch. This is always a family tradition that we make at Christmas time to give to Santa. We're going to go over our ingredients. First we're going to need flour, we're going to need some baking soda, some salt, regular sugar, we've got brown sugar, some butter, eggs, vanilla extract, and of course your chocolate chip cookies. And don't forget to go ahead and preheat your oven at 375 degrees or 190 degrees Celsius. Okay, so to start off, you're going to mix your dry ingredients in a separate bowl. So first we're going to do 2 cups of flour. Dip it in there. Okay, you're going to do 1 teaspoon of baking salt and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to whisk these dry ingredients together. Alright. And then we're going to set this to the side. And then in our separate bowl for our stand mixer, we're going to mix together our wet ingredients. Okay. So you need 2 whole sticks of butter, softened room temperature, works a lot better. I'm going to dump those in there. Okay, you're going to need 3/4 cup of regular sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and then a teaspoon of vanilla.
It looks like.
Okay, so we're going to get our wet ingredients blended together. Alright, and I would start this on low just to get that butter incorporated. Okay, once you have your wet ingredients blended to a creamy mixture, you're going to add in 2 eggs. And blend all that together. Okay, once that is all mixed together, you're going to slowly, gradually add in your flour mixture. A little bit at a time. Dump that out, and then we're going to try a smaller cup. Maybe make it easier to... Okay, I get this one. Alright, now I'll take one scoop and pour it in there. Yep, dump it in there. Alright, well, let me help you out. You need to get it all in there.
All of it?
Yeah. That's okay. That's some of the joys of making cookies. Let's slow the speed down just a little bit when I get it.
Can I just dump it in?
Yep. Dump it in there.
Oh.
Let me turn the speed up.
Oh God, keep getting everywhere.
Okay, that's all in there. Go ahead and turn that speed up a little bit. Turn it this way. Here we go.
My hands are so flour.
Alright, we're going to let that get blended up really good before we add in our chocolate chips. I'm going to scrape it down a little bit so that the rest of it can get in there. Okay, turn it back on.
Is that good?
Yep, turn it on higher. A little bit more. There we go. Okay. Alright, slowly. Okay, you can pour it. Just slowly pour it, okay? And this is 2 cups of chocolate chip. We like to use the milk chocolate, but you can use dark chocolate, whatever your preference is. Alright, turn it down just a little bit.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It's like a deep hole.
Okay, hold on. Alright, so let's scrape our bowl a bit. Goodness. Okay, so now that you got everything well blended, let's pull this off. Alright, we're going to get our cookie sheet. I've already got it sprayed down in grease and everything. We're going to take an ice cream scoop because we like our cookies a little bit larger than just the standard little teaspoon size. Alright, so we're going to get spoonfuls. Yep. Okay, try this. Take a spoon inside of your cookie scoop and just bloop. Okay, get some more. Not too much. No one huge cookies. Make Santa nice and fat, huh, this year?
Looks like thick ice cream.
Okay, pop it on there. And you got to keep them about 2 inches apart. Okay, and once you get your cookies on your cookie sheet, you're going to put them in the freezer about 15 minutes, give or take, just so that they'll firm up a little bit before you stick them in the oven. Okay, so we went ahead and got all of our cookies put in the pan and in the freezer, and we're getting these out. These have been in there, like I said, about 15 minutes, just to get them all a little firmed up. All right, so now they're ready to go into the oven. It's 375 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how firm or crunchy you like your cookies. So we're going to go ahead and put these in the oven. Alright, and we're going to start out at 8 minutes because we like our cookies a little softer and chewier, right?
Like fluffy, like pink.
Alright, so while those are cooking, Lily, what's your favorite thing about making the chocolate chip cookies?
Well, I like to stir them, and I love the way they taste, and they're just delicious.
Okay, we'll be back with you here in just a second to show you the finished product.
The cookies are done!
Now that your cookies are done, you're going to want to transfer them to a cooling rack so they can so they can cool completely off, and then now is the time to taste them. Here, I'm gonna try. What do you think?
Crunchy, delicious, nice flavor.
All right. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and maybe you'll give this recipe a try with your family.